In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write text vertically in Google Sheets so your spreadsheets look cleaner and more organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and click on the cell where you want your text to appear vertically. If you want to apply this to multiple cells, just click and drag to select them. Now, head to the top menu and look for the text rotation icon. It usually looks like a tilted letter with an arrow. Click on it to open the rotation options. From the drop-down, choose vertical text if you want the letters to stay upright but arranged from top to bottom, or choose stack vertically if you want each letter placed directly under the other. As soon as you click one of these options, your text will instantly change direction. Here's how it works. Google Sheets rotates or stacks the text inside the cell without changing the actual content, so it's purely a formatting change. If you want more control, you can also choose angled options like rotating text up or down, or even set a custom angle for a more unique layout. If the text looks cramped, you can adjust the column width or row height to make everything fit nicely. And that's it. A quick and simple way to make your spreadsheet look more organized and professional. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.